In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code in National Car Rental. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, or any browser of your choice. Once your browser is open, type in National Car Rental into the search bar and hit Enter. This action will bring up a list of search results related to National Car Rental. Look for the official website link, which is usually at the top of the list. This step is crucial because starting from the official site ensures that you access the correct information and services. Next up, click on the site link to enter the National Car Rental website. After you click, you will be directed to the homepage. Here you should see various options for car rentals, including vehicle types and special offers. This is an important step because it sets the stage for your rental process. You want to be on the right page to make your reservation smoothly. Now, it's time to provide your rental details. Locate the section where you can add your location, as well as your pickup and return times and dates. You will also need to enter the renter's age. This step is essential because the availability of vehicles often depends on these specifics. Make sure to double-check this information for accuracy, as it helps ensure a seamless rental experience and avoids any last-minute surprises. With your rental details entered, look for the field that is right below where you added your location and dates. This field allows you to enter your account number and coupon code. Enter the coupon code carefully and then click on the Check Availability button. This is a significant step because it applies your coupon to the rental options available. If done correctly, you will see the updated prices reflecting your coupon discount. After applying the coupon, follow the prompts on the screen to complete the booking process. This will include confirming your rental details and entering payment information. Be sure to review all the information you provided before finalizing your reservation. This final step is crucial as it ensures that you have all the correct details for your rental and that you don't encounter any issues later on. Following these steps will help you easily apply a coupon code when renting a car from National Car Rental. You should now feel confident in navigating the website and applying your discount. Thank you for watching and happy travels.